Hello guys, welcome back to another Card Bros FC video. Today we're going to be opening 6 Match Attax Extra Champions League promotional packs and one pack that could be a hero pack. So here's your code. Kurt Zuma, Jose Jimenez, David Silva, captain of Man City, Hakeem Ziyech, and Donny van de Beek Super Boost. So here's our next code. So we have Danilo, action, Raul Jimenez, Vanaken, Lionel Messi, record holder. He's the all-time leaders in Champions League hat tricks with 8. And we have Kepa Arrizabalaga, shutout, superstar. We have a Ferreira, a Kanjin Lee, rising star, Divock Origi, Gomez, captain of Atalanta, and a 100 club Kevin De Bruyne.
Let's go!
One of the best midfielders in the world. See if you can get another 100 club. Surely we won't get 2 in a row. So first, our free digital pack. Next we have Joe Willock, Vargas, superstar striker, Thiago Mendes, Ansu Fati, rising star, and Haaland, hat-trick hero. Free digital pack. Here's a code. Chris Smalling, Tony Cruz flashback, Borsic, Choupo-Moting, and a Lewandowski man of the match. Last pack before the one that could be a hero pack. First, our free digital pack. Here's a code. Santon. Kovacic, action. Manuel Neuer, captain of Bayern Munich. Baumgartner. And Thiago Alcantara, super boost. And we have this 2-pound pack, which contains 15 cards, and it could be a hero pack, when we had all 100s and limited editions. Really hoping for it. So first, we have a free digital pack. So it's not going to be a hero pack, unfortunately. We have Danny Rose, Wijnaldum, Ben Yedder, Royce, Ramos, Joao Felix, Chelsea badge, Callum Hudson-Odoi, Willian, Real Madrid, the most Champions Leagues, Savic, Seferovic, PSG badge, Alexander-Arnold, and man of the match, Di Maria. So there was our pack opening, and we got 100 club. Unfortunately, we did not get a hero pack, but still was fun to open some cards. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more.